Imagine a person entering a room with confident body language. You don't know who he is, but without saying a single word, everyone respects him. But why? Respect is one of the most valuable assets you can have in life. It's not something handed out freely. It's earned, cultivated, and maintained through consistent actions and behaviors. Many people crave respect, but struggle to figure out how to command it in a way that's authentic and lasting. What if I reveal 6 most powerful body language tricks to gain respect from anyone? Pay close attention to the final point because it's a game changer. Personal space is like an invisible armor of respect and confidence. Get too close, and you risk invading someone's territory, making them uneasy. Stand too far, and you create a wall of detachment. Nail the right distance, and you'll instantly command respect. Imagine you're in a one-on-one business meeting. Instead of leaning into their space, you stand a comfortable 3 feet away, ensuring both of you can talk without feeling crowded. This subtle spatial awareness tells them you're confident, respectful, and fully in control. Be a master of observation. If someone shifts back slightly, take the cue and adjust your position. It's not about being submissive, but showing emotional intelligence. Respecting their boundaries earns their trust and elevates your presence. A handshake is more than a greeting. It's your first move in the game of respect. A limp handshake screams insecurity, while a bone crusher comes off as aggressive. A firm handshake? That's a power play. When meeting a CEO or a potential partner, extend your hand with purpose. Grip firmly, not too tight, and lock eyes for a brief but impactful moment. Top it off with a confident smile, and you've already won half the battle. Get feedback from people you trust. Practice until your handshake says, "I'm strong, composed, and trustworthy." That one gesture can set the tone for how others perceive you. This is a move that says, "I'm here and I'm listening." A slight tilt of the head shows interest without making you appear overly submissive. It's subtle but powerful. Imagine you're in a team meeting. One of your colleagues is pitching an idea. You lean forward slightly, tilt your head, and give a slow nod as they speak. That gesture alone tells them you value their input, and people respect those who make them feel heard. Don't overdo it, keep it measured. Combine the tilt with a neutral head position at intervals to maintain authority, while still exuding approachability. Your feet are your foundation, and if they're restless or unsure, the message you send is the same. Stand firm, and you become unshakable. During a high-stakes presentation, instead of pacing nervously, you stand tall with your feet planted shoulder-width apart. This stance projects a sense of stability and authority. Every movement from this grounded position reinforces your control of the room. When anxiety creeps in, channel it through your feet. Press them firmly into the floor to anchor yourself. This trick not only calms your nerves, but also amplifies your commanding presence. There's power in pacing yourself. Rushed movements scream desperation. Slow, deliberate gestures, they exude confidence and make people stop and take notice. Imagine walking into a crowded networking event. Instead of darting to the nearest corner, you stride in with purpose. You take measured steps, greet people with a firm handshake, and claim your space effortlessly. Every move says, "I belong here." Control comes from practice. Activities like Tai Chi or yoga can teach you to slow down and move with intention. Every gesture, every step should feel like a deliberate statement of your self-assurance. Words carry weight, but silence carries authority. Pausing in conversation or during a speech is one of the most underrated power moves. It shows you're thoughtful, unhurried, and completely in control. In the middle of a heated boardroom debate, everyone's talking over each other, but you take a deep breath, hold steady eye contact, and pause before you speak. The room quiets. When you finally say your piece, every word lands with impact. Master this in presentations or negotiations. When delivering a key point, stop for a beat before and after. That pause forces people to hang on to your words, amplifying their significance. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned, and your body language is the foundation of that respect. Master these subtle yet powerful gestures, and you'll not only gain the respect of others, but also solidify your presence as someone worth listening to. Respect isn't something you can demand or shortcut, it's something you earn through consistent effort, authenticity, and self-discipline. The way you live your life sets the tone for how others treat you. So focus on mastering your craft, standing firm on your principles, and respecting yourself and others. When you do, you'll find that respect isn't something you chase, it's something that naturally gravitates toward you. If you're ready to join the 1% community and live a life of respect, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Together, we'll keep striving for greatness. See you soon.